Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam and my fellow friends. We are from Group KBB. Today we would like to present our products, which is Arabic application. Next, my friends will continue our presentation.
The name of our product is application Markaz Lughah. Our goals in this application is for students majoring in Arabic and furthering studies in Arabic country. First, students can engage as a reference source and find important information or basic topic in Arabic. Second, students also can serve as a helpful all-in-one reference guide for everything related to Arabic language from vocabulary like Nahu and Saraf with proper explanation. Third, those who use this application can improve their skill in reading and speaking with different beautiful Arabic dialect in Egyptian, Sudanese, Maghribi and others.
Thank you, my dear friend Ariba. So I will continue our presentation. So why we need? Firstly, students like Arabic reading resource materials, and there are still many who are looking for a more useful and easier to understand guide to learn Arabic and on their own. Secondly, the implementation of different Arabic dialects and conversational voices in the applications, which introduce and allows users to explore, identify, distinguish, and recognize the differences in the Arabic speaking pattern and essence. Third, the high convenience of this application in terms of usage anywhere, everywhere, and whenever offline or online. Next, I will pass to my friends to continue our presentation.
There are many evidences to support our statements.
Firstly is the limitation in the Arabic language on the internet, and this is based on the article of the challenge of the Arabic language used on the internet. Secondly is the fact that many apps work best with fast data connection, so many instances users can benefit from apps that can work offline, and this is based on a website called the Manifest. Thirdly is that there are many various Arabic dialects, and for example, based on the blog Pandemic, an overview of Arabic dialects, they stated that there are so many instances of Arabic dialects, for example, Egyptian dialect, Yemeni dialect, Sudanese dialect, Maghribi dialect, and so on.
We would like to present our application called the Markaz Lughah app. So this app is offered to all students regardless of their background studies, but this is especially and preferably to those who major and pursue in Arabic studies or Arabic or in Islamic related studies. So this application will be available in Google Play App Store and also the Apple App Store. We have taken the initiative to promote this app on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So the novelty and inventiveness aspect of this application, it serves as a new and innovative aspect of invention that has never been developed, created, or recognized by the public before. So we have decided to create an application that would highly benefit and be very useful to the students who pursue in Arabic studies wherever and whenever they are. So although we are fully aware of other existences of similar language related or Arabic related apps, we would argue that our Arabic Markaz Lughah application is specifically more focused and detailed in a way it would serve as a all-in-one complete advanced Arabic guide to those who not only study Arabic language but also to those who are interested in learning Arabic beyond the language aspects. So with that in mind, we will also like to clearly highlight the uniqueness and the differences that our application offers. And some of the notable critical features are, firstly, the different levels of various self-quizzes with Arabic songs being played from easy, medium and hard levels. And also secondly, there's a variety of Arabic grammar, morphology, rhetoric lessons notes that are offered in all different forms and presented in a very interactive and fun way that users can read, learn and study. Thirdly is the implementation of different Arabic dialects and conversational voices in the apps, which introduces and allows users to explore, identify, distinguish, and recognize the differences in the Arabic speaking patterns and accents. And lastly is that the high convenience of this application in terms of usage anywhere, everywhere and whenever, be it offline or online.
Thank you, my dear friend Safina. So I will be presenting our product and explain step by step to use our app. Firstly, open Google Play Store or visit the Google Play Store on a web browser. Search a browse for Markaz and you can install the app. So once you download it, you just click this app and open. This is what the app looks like. So let's start to see what next. This application covers various categories such as Note Arabic, Learn Dialect, Quizy, and Arabic Music. Those 4 categories which focus on 4 basic language skills, which is listening, speaking, writing, and reading. There is also an on-off app options in this app that functions to block any alerts such as WhatsApp and others while using it. The first category is notes. This is one of the notes that have in this app. If user want to continue to the next chapter, just select Next. The colorful notes that will interest anyone who reads. Then the next categories, which is Learn Dialect. Arabic dialects from a variety of nations including Egypt, Iran, Iraq, and others. The user can speak whatever they want into the microphone. Then select the country of their choice and hear the dialect spoken by the speaker. But keep in mind that you must communicate in Arabic and not in any language. So let's try. I will choose Jordan. Then we can hear كيف كان يومك? Next, this app includes some of the most popular Arabic songs. In fact, user can mark the song as a favorite. The song will be automatically updated from time to time. User can listen to music without having to download them from the app. If the user like, they can listen the song while reading the notes.
نور الله فجرا جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا أعلى.
The following category includes quizzing. There are 3 levels of quiz that user could play, which is easy, medium, and hard. This level has different type of questions. So let's see easy question. So we can choose which one is the correct answer. So I will answer first. After answering the questions, the user can view their own score and learn the correct answer. This is medium question look like. And that's hard. So after we answer our questions, we can go back home. That's all from us. Before we end our presentation, we would like to say thank you for watching.